Hello, hi. Okay, today we do unboxing this HG kit from GQ series. This is the latest one, GQ Endymion Unit Awaken. So they got a 4 unit Endymion unit here, and the interface also different from previous GQ model. So this one you can see the action pose, then the face head, the head, new head. The gimmick here, this one actually not very accurate. They got like a 1x side here. It's a GQ, see, it's a front and rear image. This is info here. So you see the manual first. Okay, first you can see got many parts from own runner cross out, means will not use lah these parts. So maybe like the head parts they use the new one, so the old one probably will leave as it. Then they got sticker, marking sticker, then the pad sheet. This is a guide to how to assemble, no need to go through. This same as previous. They got a two set of head, the open state and head unopened state. See here. Then the body parts, arms, the shoulder first and right arm. This is left arm. See here, you can see they provide the what runner we need to build this F and H, A, B, D, F, so easier for us to prepare the runner. Then the waist part, got a sticker here, same as this one, also got sticker. Then the legs, this part is got many sticker, like a 5 sticker. So the leg and the waist is need to assemble like this. They got like a lock system here, so you need to follow by this position. Then the backpack, see the Endymion, they got a weapon, beam rifle, beam saber, then the axe here, and shield, connector for the gun, core fighter, and this information, the beam saber, shield, this one, Endymion unit. I got 4 Endymion unit, beam rifle, and this one they got X, number X. Then this color guide, you want to repaint the info here. So first runner is runner B, mostly for inner frame, and got a weapon here, this one and this one. Then runner A for the armor, the shield, inner frames, the option hand, hold and open hand. This is the sticker, and the Endymion unit, seem like a fan. Then the H runner, maybe this cycle from the GQ runner. This C runner, mostly for armor. D runner, also for armor. And this for Endymion unit. Also this one for attach the Endymion unit to shoulder and knee. The invincible effect parts. Another sticker here. And this runner E for armor, the color blue one, some in a frame. Lastly is runner F for steel armor, but the red one. So that's all for unboxing. I will do the speed through and review later. So maybe on the review side I just show what difference compared to normal GQ, because I think the articulation is still the same, because it's exactly the same unit. Okay, thank you, bye.